Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you must be staying safe at home. Okay, children, as you all know, yesterday we started with a new chapter of English literature, and its name was When Rusty Played Holy. In this chapter, we read that Rusty is a boy who was not willing to play holy, but later on, his friend Ranbir and his other friends splash colors and drench him with water and started dancing in front of him, which made him also enjoy the festival of colors. Children, yesterday we have done with the page number 2, 4 paragraph, first, second, third, fourth. So let us just start with fifth one. We have read yesterday that Ranbir splashed water on Rusty, and Rusty started also enjoying festival of colors with him. Now, after Rusty, Ranbir and his other friends decided to chase one another friend of theirs. That is, his name is Suri. As we are on the page number 2, paragraph number 5. See, it's written here. Now you are one of us, come. And Rusty went with him and the others. Now, as they have also made comfortable Rusty playing holy with them, now they are going towards the home of Suri. So, one of their friend cried, someone shouted and said, Suri is hiding, cried someone. He has locked himself in his house and won't play holy. Well, he will play, said Ranbir. Even if we have to break the house down. So, as you have seen in the starting of the chapter, Rusty was little reluctant to join his friends, but later on he was comfortable. Now, again, Suri is one of their friend who is little, fear of holy. He is not comfortable to play holy because he fear from the colors. So what he did, he was just crying that no one should come to his house and play holy with him. So he hid himself in the home. See what he has done. Suri, who dreaded Holi and decided to spend the day in a state of siege, and had set up a camp in his mother's kitchen, where there was provisions enough for the whole day. So what Suri has done, he hid himself in the kitchen of his home, where he can have the enough food for the whole day. He listened to his playmates calling to him from the courtyard. He was listening that his friends were calling to him from the downstairs, calling his name, Suri, Suri, come out and play with them. But what he did, Suri ignored. He ignored their invitation, jeers and threats. The door was strong and well barricaded. So in order to save himself, to protect himself from his friends, so that they should not throw colors or water on Suri. So what Suri has done, jeers. Here jeers means rude remarks. His friends were making rude remarks. He was using his friends. Friends means here Ranbir, Rusty, and other friends they were using these kind of remarks which compelled him to come out. But Suri has already decided that he will not come out to play holy with his friends. So what he did, he just closed his door and well barricaded. Barricaded means he just protected with barriers. Barriers is basically, you can see the roadblocks. He just strongly, tightly closed his door of his house and protected himself with the roadblocks, you can say barriers. He settled himself beneath a table and flipped the pages of a journal. So in order to hide himself, what he has done, he was sitting under the table. He hid himself under the table and he started flipping the pages of a journal, so that his friends might think that he must be studying or doing. He just simply ignored their voice. He didn't reply to his friends. But the youths outside were not going to miss the pleasure of discomforting Suri. So they acquired a ladder and made their entry into the kitchen by the skylight. But Ranbir and his friends were also very smart, so they have decided that they will definitely take out Suri from his home. So they just started discomforting him. Discomforting means, students, here you can see a word here in a yellow color. It means making someone feel very embarrassed, making someone feel uncomfortable, you can say. Suri squealed with fright. Squealed here means he started crying when he heard that his friends were coming from some other side in the kitchen through the ladder. Ladder, you know what is ladder? In Hindi, what we call CD. So they made a way out to go to kitchen, his friends, through a ladder. So when he heard about his friends coming through a ladder in the kitchen, he started crying very loudly. The door was opened and he was bundled out, and and his spectacles were trampled. And finally, his friends were able to open the door, and they and the Suri came out from the door in front of him, and he started trampling. He was full of fear, basically. My glasses, he screamed, you have broken them. He was so shattered with fear that lost his spectacles, and it just got broken. And he started screaming, shouting very loudly. Coming to the next page. You can afford a dozen pair, jeered one of the boys. So as he was crying, his friend said, "Don't worry about your spectacles. You can buy the new one. But once you miss this festival of colors to play with his friends, this day will not come easily. So why don't you come out and play Holi with us?" Rusty could not help pitying the frantic boy. Frantic here means extremely worried. So Rusty was looking towards his friends, Ranbir and other friends, that the way they compelled Rusty to play Holi with them, the same way they were compelling Suri, who was feeling so dreaded. Dreaded means feared, who was earlier feeling so dreaded to play Holi, but finally they chased him and played Holi with them. So this was all about this chapter, students. And as you can see, this was just an extract from one of the book of written by Ruskin Bond, The Room on the Roof. So I hope you understood this chapter. It's a small, you can say, scene about the festival of Holi, right? So just go through this chapter once again, just read it again, and I hope you understood the chapter. And after that we'll do the difficult words and word meanings. Thank you, children.